Larson, and I want to share a very valuable lesson with you today. My operations manager, Amanda, will actually be going through step by step so you understand every single nitty-gritty detail of how to do this operation. Here at Real Estate Matt Education, we don't believe in fluff. We believe in details. We want to give you actionable information that you can follow along with and go implement right away. I hope you enjoy this training. Thank you.
Hey everyone, welcome to Skipify.ai. I just wanted to film this quick tutorial to show you how to use our system. So once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the dashboard where you can view your download credits, your skip trace credits, the total number of properties and skip traces that you've done, your price per hit rate, and the searches that you've done in the last 30 days. Now to start a new search, you're going to head over to the property search button where you have the option to add an address, a county, or a zip code. And you can use multiple zip codes, just make sure you separate those by a comma. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to select a random county. And then what you want to do is click on the quick filter here. This is where you're going to be allowed to select the different types of properties. If you have certain characteristics that you're looking to pull, MLS status, that sort of thing. We do make it super easy for you. So we have these predefined filters, and if you just click the drop-down menu, you can select one that's already built for you, and you can view what selections we've made over here on the right-hand side. Now once you're ready to search, just click the search button, and it's going to bring up all of the results. And from there, you can choose to either download or skip trace these records. And then once you click these buttons, it's going to bring you to the checkout page. So be sure, just like we talked about in the first video, that you do have your billing information in your account. If you need to update that, go ahead and click on the billing tab, and from there you can update your subscription, add skips, update your payment methods, and view your invoice. Now once you do check out, all of your data is going to be under the My Data tab, as you can see here. And then from here you can download the property records, or you can download the skip trace file. So once you click download, it's going to save to your computer. You can open that up and view all of the data, and then take this and use it for your marketing. Now the last thing is, if you ever need to update any of your personal information, your email, your phone, or your password, you just go in here to settings, and it's located on the left hand side as well as the drop down menu here. And then just be aware, if you do ever update your password, you will receive an email, and if you don't receive the email, make sure you check your spam folder. For more information on Skipify.ai, just visit our website or contact us at support@skipify.ai. Thank you. If you want help from Matt's team to generate 10 to 15 verified buyer leads per day, send an email to hello@realestatemat.com with a subject line that says buyers.